What if I told you this luxury handbag was once a pile of rotting pineapple leaves? These resilient leaves have long been considered mere agricultural waste, but today they are the foundation of a breakthrough technology that is changing the textile industry. Hidden within these tough, fibrous structures lies a remarkable material. 10 million tons of these leaves are discarded every year, left to rot in the sun. For generations, the focus was only on the fruit. The leaves were a burden, an environmental challenge that required energy and resources to clear and manage. But now, the journey of rebirth begins right here on the farm. What was once trash is being collected and valued as a premium raw material. The harvest of waste is loaded and transported to state-of-the-art factories, and marking the start of a transformation from green waste into sophisticated bio-leather products. Within these walls, cutting-edge science meets traditional agriculture. We are about to witness the complex mechanical and chemical processes that redefine the future of materials. The first step is decortication. Powerful mechanical blades strip away the green pulp, exposing the strong, white cellulose fibers buried deep inside each pineapple leaf. This mechanical separation is crucial because it uses no harsh chemicals. It relies on pure physics to extract the essence of the plant's structural strength. Fresh water at high pressure rinses the fibers thoroughly. Every trace of organic residue must be removed to ensure the final material is pure and stable. Look at these strands. They are incredibly tough and flexible. Nature has engineered these fibers to support the heavy weight of the pineapple fruit for months. Nothing goes to waste in this circular process. Yes, the green biomass removed during stripping is returned to the fields as nutrient-rich fertilizer for the next crop. The wet fibers are carefully arranged to ensure even airflow. Proper drying is essential to prevent any mold and to prepare the fibers for refinement. Using low-temperature drying methods preserves the integrity of the cellulose. This gentle heat removes moisture without making the natural fibers brittle or losing their elasticity. Once dried, the transformation is already visible. These strands are no longer parts of a leaf. They are a high-performance raw material ready for the next stage. The fiber is now lightweight and durable. Thousands of tons of material are processed through these automated systems, maintaining consistent quality across every single batch produced. Precision is key at this stage. Advanced sensors monitor every movement to ensure the mechanical stripping process remains efficient and does not damage the delicate fibers. As the fibers are now ready to undergo a biochemical refinement that will soften them and enhance their beauty, turning them into a truly luxurious textile component. Next, the fibers enter an enzyme bath. This biological treatment targets the pectin, the natural glue that holds plant cells together without damaging the cellulose. As the pectin dissolves, the fibers become incredibly soft. This step is what separates common plant fibers from the high-quality material used in luxury goods. The result is a material that feels as soft as silk, but retains the legendary strength of the pineapple plant. It is truly a bio-engineered marvel. The fibers are then carded, a process that brushes them into a uniform direction. This alignment is critical for creating a consistent texture in the final leather. Every strand is separated and refined. This attention to detail ensures that the final bio-leather has a smooth surface and a high level of structural integrity. This massive scale of production is what allows this technology to compete with traditional leather, providing a sustainable alternative for global fashion brands and designers. Quality control is rigorous. Each batch is inspected for color consistency and fiber length. Only the highest grade material moves forward to the pressing stage. The fibers are light, breathable, and completely biodegradable. This stage of the process highlights the incredible versatility of natural materials when enhanced by modern science. Maintaining the perfect balance of moisture and tension ensures the fibers don't break. The expertise of these technicians is vital to the success of the transformation. Soft like cotton, yet strong as steel. These refined fibers are now ready to be bonded together into a durable, flexible sheet of advanced bio-leather base. Now we enter the non-woven stage. The refined fibers are laid out in thick, uniform layers and fed into a massive industrial needle-punching machine. Thousands of needles strike the fibers simultaneously, and physically interlocking them into a tight, three-dimensional mesh. This mechanical bonding creates a material with immense tensile strength. This is the felt stage. The loose fibers have been transformed into a solid, cohesive sheet that can withstand pulling, stretching, and daily wear and tear. The compression is intense. By varying the needle density and the speed of the machine, technicians can control the thickness and flexibility of the final product. Feel the density. Even at this early stage, the material exhibits the characteristics of leather. It is flexible, resilient, and surprisingly smooth to the touch. These massive rolls are the substrate of our bio-leather. This non-woven technology allows for large-scale production, ensuring the material is accessible for mass-market fashion. The rhythmic pounding of the needles is the heartbeat of this innovation. It's a process that avoids the toxic tanning chemicals used in traditional leather production. The random orientation of the fibers mimics the natural collagen structure found in animal hides, giving the material a truly organic feel and high durability. Every roll is numbered and tracked. This traceability ensures that every square meter of material can be traced back to the specific farm and harvest date. Precision trimming prepares the sheets for the final aesthetic transformation. We are now ready to apply the colors and textures that define luxury fashion. The coating process begins. A bio-resin derived from sustainable sources like corn or soy is applied to the surface to provide waterproofing and added durability. Heat and pressure are then used to permanently bond the resin to the fiber mesh. This creates a protective barrier while maintaining the material's breathability. As the plate lifts, the transformation is complete. The material now has the classic look and feel of high-end calfskin with a sophisticated grain pattern. The heat treatment also deepens the color. And whether it's a rich chocolate brown or a deep onyx black, the pigments are locked into the fibers. The color possibilities are endless. We use organic GOTS certified dyes to ensure that the entire product remains environmentally friendly and safe for the skin. Consistency is vital for luxury brands. Every square inch must match the designer's vision perfectly, ensuring that every handbag or shoe is uniform in beauty. A final top coat is applied for extra protection against scratches and UV light. This ensures the pineapple leather will last for decades without peeling or fading. The visual similarity to traditional leather is staggering, yet this material is 100% vegan and requires significantly less water and energy to produce. It takes stamps, foils, and stitching just like real leather. Designers don't have to change their tools or techniques to work with this innovative biomaterial. From the cockpit of a luxury car to the runway in Paris, these materials are ready to replace animal-based products in every corner of the industry. Each roll represents hundreds of pineapple leaves saved from the fire. It is a tangible proof that sustainability and luxury can coexist in harmony. Before leaving the factory, the material must pass rigorous tests. Tensile strength machines pull the leather to its limit, proving it's as strong as cowhide. Abrasion testing ensures the surface won't wear down. Even after thousands of cycles of friction, the bio-resin and fiber bond remains perfectly intact and beautiful. Water resistance is a key performance metric. The specialized bio-coating ensures that the leather is completely waterproof, protecting the fibers from moisture damage or staining. Uniformity is critical. Each sheet must meet strict thickness specifications to ensure it can be easily processed by automated cutting machines in garment factories. Safety first. Unlike many plastic-based synthetic leathers, this pineapple-based material has natural flame-retardant qualities, making it ideal for automotive and interior applications. This data-driven approach ensures that global brands can trust the performance of bio-leather, paving the way for a complete shift in material sourcing. In the hands of master artisans, the material comes to life. It cuts cleanly and holds its shape, allowing for the creation of intricate, high-end designs. Every stitch is a testament to the material's durability. It doesn't tear or stretch unevenly, resulting in a finished product that exudes quality and craftsmanship. From agricultural waste to a centerpiece of fashion, this handbag tells a story of innovation, circularity, and a deep respect for our natural world. The applications are limitless. Pineapple leather is no longer a concept. It is a reality that is already being worn and used by millions worldwide. Join us in the material revolution. Pineapple leather. The future of fashion is sustainable, ethical, and more beautiful than we ever imagined possible.